Devin with Patrtiot Awning here. Today it's Trade Secret Tuesday. Today's topic is the Sinclair Triad Wedge Welder. Now it's made by Miller Weldmaster. But this is a wedge welder I've had an issue with for the past 10 years. And we're going to show you, our competitors, what was going on so that hopefully you don't have to go through 10 years of the same stuff that I did because it was awful. Let's get into it. This is a Sinclair Triad wedge welder. Okay, we bought this on eBay probably 11 years ago for about $5 and we added the acrylic tape kit. And here's what was happening. This is a lower tape guide. It's down here. I put a piece of thermal tape on it before I figured out what was causing the issue. That's the silver piece that you see on top. You shouldn't even need that. But what was happening with this machine, there is a stem that goes from here to here that holds this. I noticed that there was a tiny bit of play. There always has been for the past 10 years in this machine. And didn't think much of it. But what was happening was this was burning up. We've went through several of these. And the thermal bonding tape is getting stuck in there. You know, after you get done welding, you know, if you didn't pull this, let it cool, pull this, let it cool, it would just be melted to the inside of here. And it was a nightmare. You'd take the whole thing apart, blah, blah, blah. But what happened with this thing is the stem that's in here, well, there's a little Allen key in there. And it was just a little bit loose. And what happened was this had dropped down a 1/16 of an inch, 3/32 of an inch, I'm not even sure. But that was causing the issue. So if you're having issues with your Sinclair Triad or Miller Weldmaster Triad now, it's not under warranty or you can't figure it out, that's what caused it. That's what caused this, is that little thing in there being loose, and it was a little lower. So I hope this, we're all about the likes and the subscribes. Even if you're a competitor, please like and subscribe to our page. And hope you found this beneficial. Thanks again for checking out our YouTube channel. Best of luck to you, competitors, and your awning escapades.
Bring it, Nicky!